Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the SPX6900 coin on Kucoin. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the Kucoin centralized exchange. Once you've opened up this centralized exchange, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify using our link. Alright, so once you're on Kucoin with a verified account, your next step would be to simply use the trade icon at the bottom of the screen to simply find the SPX token we wish to buy. So if you use the spot where we have this trade and use the search at the top to search for SPX, you'll find that the SPX token is trading against the USDT, which means in order to buy this token, you must have some USDT. So how do we get USDT on Kucoin if you do not have on your wallet? The first step would be to make use of the deposit icon on your dashboard. So if you head to the Kucoin home, click on deposit, and then use the search icon to search for USDT. You can simply deposit USDT on any of the available networks here, from the Solana to Ton to Tron to BEP20 to ERC. You could deposit on these networks. If you do not have USDT to deposit from another wallet or exchange, you could as well use the buy crypto option on your dashboard here. You could simply use this buy crypto option here by clicking on what looks like a credit card. So click on this option, and then you're shown to buy USDT. So let's say you enter 10 USDT, click on buy. You can then purchase your USDT using either AirTM, Skrill, NetTeller, Perfect Money, Payer, or you could go with simpler options like Bangza, BTC Direct, and other options. Now, another or safer option would be to make use of the P2P trading feature, which is basically you interacting with traders. So you're going to be giving them your local currency in exchange for cryptocurrency. So let's say you have $10 on in your bank account. You could simply use your Cash App and simply send $10 to their Cash App tag, and they'll send you 10 USDT. All right. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the trade section at the bottom of the screen. Same process again. Use the search option to search for SPX. Click on the SPX USDT. Where it says trading limit, that's this limit here, simply scroll through and select market. So click on the drop down and select market. We're going to be using market because it helps us buy instantaneously without having to set any stop loss or take profit. So all you need to do now is enter an amount of USDT you wish to purchase the SPX for and click on buy, and it's done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.